What's up and good afternoon. We are at Moon Eyes events today. It's my first time at the Moon Eyes location here in Norwalk, but they're having a little open house and a little car event. So I thought we'd come by, do a little walk around and see what's up. But first up, we parked over here, and then we got this awesome, I can't tell you, this hot rod. This is freaking sick. There's a Dodge engine in it, super clean interior. I like that. I love the old school, how they do the gauges and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll walk around and see what's up, see what we see. So it's kind of cool. This whole street is kind of packed with cars on the street and everything. People are just cruising up and down, trying to find parking like us too. But Moon Eyes is all the way over there. So we'll see what we see. Have a little Miata. It is, with the hardtop. Okay. Looks pretty cool. So we got a Chaser chilling over here. And then, is this another Chaser or a Toyota Crown? I can't tell with these.
I think it's a Chaser.
Just a different generation Chaser. Hey, who's backed over there? But pretty cool stuff. I guess it is a Chaser, right? I don't know. I always get confused with this generation. But we got a few other classic cars over here. Super huge white walls. But super clean interiors. Crazy. This one too. Clean interior. I want to get a bus. We can do the podcast in the bus.
It's gonna be
That's so cool. Like, look how big it is inside too. That's sick. But anyways, look at this. This is a Prelude, isn't it? One of the older generation Preludes.
Is it?
I'm pretty sure.
Not a CRZ?
No. Let's check. Oh no, it's setting a Accord. I was way off. Okay, we're both wrong.
Okay.
But it's clean. I like the little meaty tires. So cute. We got a little Datsun 510.
That's cool.
Super clean with the little bride seats inside. Well, yeah. Wait. Oh, they don't all come in right and drive?
No.
Oh. Truck cruising down the street. It's super clean though. I've always loved the body style of these. It looks similar to like the Hako. It looks super clean.
Because the Datsun was how Nissan was introduced to the States.
Ah,
So, like-
look at you in this body pack.
So like,
This thing is crazy looking. Anyways, this is the front of the Moon Eyes garage that they have here. We'll go inside, see what's going on in there. This thing's wild though. Hello, hot rod. Okay. Sick. Little 240 pulling up. Pretty clean. Anyways, we're here in front of the Moon Eyes now. Got this crazy truck. That fat blower on top. That's insane. Pretty cool stuff. But yeah, it's our first time here at Moon Eyes, so we'll see what kind of cars are here. You want that? Crazy stuff. They got a whole band playing. The whole store's inside. Maybe we'll go walk around inside. Pretty cool. Little Corvette right in front. Back here we got one of their drag cars. This thing's crazy. It's so tiny, but it's probably freaking fast. Look at how tiny that is. I don't think I fit in there.
I don't think you do either.
Pretty cool stuff. What do they have back here? They got a Ford chilling in the garage. Cool stuff. A little shell. Cool. On this, the paint's crazy. It's super clean. I like it. Now we're inside the Moon Eyes, so there's hella people. Hella cool stuff. Don't want to buy a lot of stuff. This is actually cool. What are we getting? Want to buy everything. Oh, they have fuzzy dice. That would be cool. The fuzzy
I want a
dice.
bucket.
They have all their steering wheels right here. Oh, look, they have the sunshade up there, all the t-shirts, all the car parts up here. That's crazy. All the t-shirts and stuff. Cool stuff. Right here, they have all like the memorabilia and stuff. Pretty cool. have a whole fridge of stickers, all this stuff, crazy stuff. Now we are in the parking next door to Moon Eyes. Got a few vans, a little minivan, literally mini. And then we got a few classic cars right here, Bel Airs. Don't get ran over, but super cool stuff. It's like we're going back in time right here. It's cool. Double parked for days right here. Super cool. Hey, we got the bikes and then the mini bikes right here. Sick. With the Gucci. Oh wait, I know these guys. They're the honors people. That's cool. Cool mini bikes. Moon Eyes van. Sick. We got some more cars pulled up right there. Super cool stuff. Do a little walk around of the cars, few hot rods, trucks, and everything. This thing's cool. Super clean interior and everything. Cool. We got the 240 chilling that we saw pulled up. Super clean though. This is the very far lot, and we came across this gold truck. Okay, super cool. We got this guy right here. The Impala slammed. Okay, I like that interior. No hood. It's full sending. Super cool. And that Impala. Super clean too. Anyways, I think we're gonna be heading out now. It's a little bit getting warm. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe and everything. And yeah, make sure you guys follow that podcast. You already know, Dare to Drive. And we'll see you guys on the next one.